Hi, I'm Mario Costanz, also known as the Problem Solver. I'm the CEO of Happy Tax. I'd like to welcome you to the weekly tax industry strategy session. I'd like to start off this week with a question from Rudy in California. Rudy has his own tax service and has grown it to 250 clients. He's been operating out of his home office for a couple of years. He needs more clients and wants to know how opening a storefront location would boost his business. He's concerned about investing in the office and doesn't want to take a loss or lose income with the additional expenses. First off, Rudy, you're off to a good start. 250 clients is a nice base that can quickly be built into a nice living. And it's awesome that you took the time to ask for help. The first thing for you to do is a budget on what your cost would be to open, and then compare it to your existing and projected revenue. I'll give you a quick estimation. A storefront can cost anywhere from $500 all the way up to $5,000 per month in rent. So yearly, that'll be between $6,000 and $60,000. Then you'll have utilities, phone, and internet. That will range from $300 to $600 per month, or $3,600 to $7,200 per year. You'll need liability insurance that will range from $300 to $600 per year. You'll also need additional staff. So you have to recruit, hire, and train employees, which is challenging and expensive. Depending on your volume, it can cost you from $5,000 to $15,000 for payroll alone. Then there's the build out and setup of your location. Desks, chairs, computers, printers, signage, office supplies, plus any construction or painting to get the office looking nice. Even for a small office, this can cost between $10,000 and $25,000 in improvements. So to tally it all up as an estimate, you'll need somewhere between $25,000 all the way up to $100,000 just to get set up and pay your expenses for the year. And that's without any hiccups. Rudy, I don't know what fees you charge, so I can't tell you if this is worth it for you. However, you can do the math and see how many returns you'll need to do in order to break even. And I'm certain your goal is not to break even. Be careful of making the jump onto a storefront location, as it is possible you may boost your revenue while making less profits and giving yourself more headaches. What I would recommend instead is to focus on relationship building with your existing clients and leveraging that to gain more referrals. All it really takes is to be helpful and attentive. There are 3 ways you can do it. First is to pick up the phone and call all of your existing clients as soon as possible. Be kind and treat them with respect. Let them know that you're available year-round for any questions they may have. Spend 5 minutes on the phone with them to see how things are going. Remind them that there's no time like today to start planning for next tax season. Second, if you don't have their email addresses, make sure you get them on those calls, and then use them. The conventional wisdom says to send out a monthly newsletter. That's an absolutely terrible idea. Canned newsletters are boring and impersonal. Most people don't read them. Take the time each month to write no more than 3 paragraphs on ideas that they should be thinking about, and just send it. No fancy templates or shared content. Always ask them to reply with any questions, or ask them if they need help of any kind. A third approach is to send them a birthday card, or just a thank you note for doing business with you. Or send both. Make sure you personally sign the card, or that the thank you card note is handwritten. These strategies will help you retain your current clients and will help you grow your business through the absolute best marketing strategy ever. Referrals. Don't forget to ask for referrals on each of these strategies. Have a great evening and a productive rest of the week. Let me know if I can help you in any way. For more information on Happy Tax, go to gethappytax.com or email me at mario@happytax.com. Happy Tax. Smile. It's time to file.